Hi everybody, welcome to another video. I'm some Linux guy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install or guide you through how to install ORION Prelude. And I found this awesome website for installing games through Wine and stuff, and I will link it in the bottom description. So this site is called Gamers on Linux, and you will need to make an account to comment, or if you guys need extra help, you guys can get help. So this is pretty much the guide. I'm using T-Rex merge, haha. No, it's Arch merge actually, but I just thought it'd be cool to put T-Rex merge. So what you guys will want to do is follow this guide, which I've already done. Click, so in my last videos I mentioned that you might need to only use 32-bit versions of Wine, and that is correct. So once you look at the guide and follow this, manage Wine versions, you can see all the Wine versions I have is on the x86 side. So pretty much that's all you need to know. So, and the one that we're going to be using is 3.1, not 3.0. So that's the Wine version that you will need to install. So once you follow this guide and it says look for Wine version 3.0, you'll get 3.1 because that is the newest one out right now. So once it shows, I mean, this is just awesome. It shows you screenshots of what it does and stuff. So yeah, this pretty much they try and update their site and stuff. So yeah, it's they're not too far behind. So then what you guys want to do is install Steam, and it tells you exactly the pictures and stuff. You guys are not going to want to click the install Steam now. You're going to want to click the Windows button shown here, because if you install Steam through that way on a Ubuntu based distro, it's going to install the dev file automatically for you. I'm not sure about Arch. I think on Arch it's going to give you a tarball to install. So I mean, it's not going to install it on Arch. So, and I'm using an Arch-based system, so you guys can game in Arch-based systems now. Not that you couldn't before. It's probably was just a lot difficult to do. So it's a lot easier now. So then what you guys want to do is follow this guide completely as listed. So you're going to want to click a non-listed program. You guys are going to want to click install program in a new virtual box every time you guys want to install a new game, or if this is your first time running Play on Linux, you would click a new virtual drive. So then what you guys want to do is name the virtual drive ORION Prelude, or whatever game you guys install. So yeah, so on this guide, I'm gonna finish up down here, and then I'm just gonna show you that the game is playable, and in the next video hopefully we guys can I can take you through the install process through a different game, and then we guys can actually play the games on I will be playing the games and probably going live, so hopefully we can get to that point. But in the next video I'm going to show you, actually walk you through it in the next upload, and a different game, actually, how it's done. So yeah, so what you're gonna follow all of this, and then pretty much once you're all done with these steps and you pick all these, there's one more actual thing that you guys are gonna want to do when you guys get to the bottom this part and sign all in. There's one file that you need to have. ORION Prelude ran perfectly after I installed the .NET. So what you guys want to do is go to configure and install components again, and click the .NET files. So install all these .NETs. Now there was a slight hiccup when you got to 3.0. I'm not sure exactly what the issue is, but the one that I installed was 4.0, and after the store worked. I did try to install .NET 4.0, 4.5, but it didn't really work because it hung up on the 3.0 .NET. But other than that, after I installed .NET 4.0, it did work. So let me guys show you that the store does work. I'm going to try and get the 4.5 newest one on here to work and look up how I can. So, and I'll have a video out for that also. So let's close this, and I already have the Steam open in Wine, so you can see I have ORION Prelude already installed. So let's show you that it is playable. Hopefully nothing messes up, because I was playing it last night and it did work, and sometimes you guys will get hiccups because it's in Wine, and yeah, I understand if you guys like want to go back to Windows and play these Windows games, but I just think it's cool to show you guys that you guys can play Windows games in Wine, and they're pretty fairly stable too. And also, I mean, if you guys have a good graphics card, and I will show you what I have. This is the card that I am running right now. I do have a 10 series card, but it's in my new build I'm still working on. So let me guys show you run this game. So let's hit play. And to run this application, you first must install one of the following versions of the .NET framework, version 4.0. Okay, so here it's telling you, so unfortunately I think I have the 3.0 installed, so let's run that process back again, and let's do the .NET, because I know you guys probably want to see actually which the .NET. So it's telling us to install the .NET 4.0, so let's install it and see what happens. Please wait. Okay, so it looks like it's installed now. Let me go to configure and see what if it changed anything in here. So yeah, let me hit cancel. That's okay. So let's hit Steam again and see what happens. Okay, so even though it's on Windows XP, which I don't know exactly why it went back, it was set to Windows 7. That's okay. So you can play it. So let's hit play now. And it's going to play. And we are playing a Windows game. On Wine. So let's hit, so next, once you guys have it set up, it says to go hit video and set whatever you guys want enabled. I already did this, so let's hit play. Then we're gonna hit, can either play with friends here or find the game. We're gonna hit find the game. So, seems like there's more players on here. I am going to go in this easy server. I'll just pick one. Hit connect. And let's play. Okay. So we're gonna hit a salt class. And the flashlight is on. Flashlight on.
Grenade!
Oh god. guess maybe the flashlight is automatically on. Here's a dinosaur. So this coal board, and I remember this coal board. Let's see. Wrong side. That's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys like this guide on how to get ORION Prelude installed. So thank you, and I will guys see you back next time.
Salt.